Make countless recipes with the manual sausage stuffer from Omcan. It's easy to use and produces great results with simple technique. The manual design keeps you in control of the speed and helps to eliminate broken casings and air pockets. And for this video, we are referencing the most popular type of sausage, pork. Fat content is important. It helps cook, preserve, and bind spices to the meat. Between 25% and 50% is recommended. The casings are just as important as the filling. Choose between natural, collagen, cellulose, or fibrous depending on your sausage type and cooking process. From breakfast to bratwurst and spicy to sweet, a great advantage to making sausages is the customization. We went with a traditional spicy Italian sausage because we love that beautiful red hue and bold flavor. When you're ready to start, just raise the cylinder and fill it up. Lower the cylinder and place the crank on the second available gear that controls the back piston. You need to tie off the end of your casing, but make sure you let out as much air as possible beforehand. Now, get your guide hand ready and start. Remember to control your pace so you don't break your casing and are forced to start over. After you are finished, make sure to thoroughly clean the machine and every part that came into contact with the meat. Natural proteins can deteriorate, and quickly if they're left at room temperature. That can spread bacteria into your next batch and all over surrounding surfaces. When all these simple steps come together, you can make some delicious sausages in a variety of meats, flavors, and textures. See which model is right for you or your establishment at omcan.com.